Today I'm going to teach you how to align buttons in columns in Elementor WordPress. This is incredibly useful when you want your buttons to line up perfectly across multiple columns, creating a clean, professional look for your website layout. First, head over to your WordPress website's admin dashboard and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to all the tools you need to edit your pages. Next, navigate to Pages and select All Pages from the menu. This will show you a complete list of all the pages on your website. Scroll down through the list and look for the specific page you want to edit. Once you've found it, click Edit with Elementor. This will open up the Elementor Visual Editor, which is where we'll make all our alignment adjustments. Wait for the Elementor editor to fully load. This might take a moment depending on your internet connection and how complex your page is. Once it's ready, you'll see your page layout displayed in the center of the screen. Now click on the section that contains your columns and buttons. You'll notice a blue outline appear around the section when it's selected, confirming you've clicked the right area. Now comes the important part. Click the first column handle, which is represented by 6 dotted lines at the top of the column. This will bring up the column settings panel on the left side of your screen. Here you'll want to set the direction option. The direction controls how elements are stacked within your column. After that, adjust the Justify Content setting. This is what actually aligns your buttons vertically within the column, ensuring they all sit at the same height across different columns. While you're in these settings, you can also fine-tune the Align Items option. This controls the horizontal positioning of your elements within the column. Additionally, you can adjust the gap setting to control the spacing between elements inside your column, giving you even more control over how everything looks. Next, switch over to the Advanced tab in the column settings. This is where you'll handle the spacing around your column. Set the margin to 0 for all sides, top right, bottom, and left. This removes any extra spacing that might be throwing off your button alignment and ensures everything sits exactly where you want it. Repeat these same settings for each column that contains a button to ensure they all align consistently. And that's it. Your buttons should now be perfectly aligned across all your columns. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.